The Heatmaps tool allows me to dig in deeper on any themes that I've created for the thoughts shared in my exchange. In particular, if I've asked a survey question and I want to see how the different response groups responded to my various themes, Heatmaps is the place to do that. The first thing that I want to do when I come into the Heatmaps menu is select the theme set that I want to work on. Next, I'll want to set my view. I can either select my themes by my open-ended question, or I can take a look at any survey question I've asked by my themes. I can also set up a custom option, where I can determine the X and the Y axis to be either a question that I've asked or a theme set that I've created. When I sort by survey question, what I can see below is each survey question response group and how they rated the various themes that I've created. And I can look at these themes in two different ways, either by average star rating or by the number of thoughts contained within them. In this visualization, a darker color either means a higher average star rating or a higher number of thoughts. I can switch between those two views using these icons here. An important thing to note about this graphic is that what I'm seeing is the average star rating assigned by each of these groups, not the thoughts shared by them. We're always careful to not share information about who shared what thought. That way we maintain a participant's confidentiality as they participate in the exchange. If I hover over any of these cells, I can see some information about the thoughts and the ratings contained within it. So what I can see here is that of the participants who said they were a manager in response to my survey question, 4 of them rated thoughts that were in the leadership theme. In total, they rated 10 thoughts and assigned an average star score of 3.8. I can see the thoughts contained within this cell as well as the average star score assigned by people who responded that they were a manager just by clicking on the cell. I can add leader comments to any of these thoughts by clicking the thought icon here, or I can add a summary comment to the theme overall, not related to a particular survey question response group, but just to the theme in general by typing that here. I can also create a PDF report of this view of thoughts by clicking the print option here. If I want to focus my view even more, I can use these drop-down filters here. I can click or unclick different survey question response groups if I want to include them or remove them from the graphic. And I can do the same for my themes. Heatmaps is a great tool for seeing how different groups of participants responded to the big themes in your exchange. You can explore help articles related to this and other features by clicking the Help widget button right here on the Discover dashboard. This feature allows you to read articles, watch videos, search for other topics, and even submit support tickets if you have questions. If you'd like to learn more about any of the features on the Discover dashboard, check out our help site at get.thoughtexchange.help. We have videos about each of the different features. You can also reach out to our support team directly at help@thoughtexchange.com. I hope you found this video useful. Until next time, happy thought exchanging.